Hello everybody, welcome and thanks for joining my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kevin. In this video, I will tell you 4 things that you will need to do to start earning money on YouTube. Okay, here we go. Number 1, you will need to create a Google AdSense account. That is where you need to fill out your bank information to get direct deposit. Number 2, you need to get 1,000 subscribers. That's right, 1,000. Number 3, with having 1,000 subscribers, you also need 4,000 hours of watch time. Number 4, last and final step, YouTube will need to finalize your YouTube account to make sure that you are not doing any illegal activities. After completing those 4 steps, you'll be accepted into YouTube Partner Program. Yay! If you need help in getting 4,000 hours, click on this link right here. If you plan to join the YouTube Partner Program, have lots of fun and good luck on your venture. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Peace out.